Sabari said,
Okay. Good.
and he reset it for me, but the reset password is the exact same as the original one that
That's
he gave
fine.
me.
Okay. Did you try that or not?
That's what I'm gonna try right now.
So did you change the password?
He said I have to change it, and then when I change it, I can't forget it.
Okay. 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 Let's start the sharing my screen. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So now, if you can see my screen, okay. So as we discussed yesterday, we are discussed about what is the landscape of the SAP, right? So
yeah,
development system, quality system, production system, and maybe we have some BW system, S4 HANA system, and EWM system. Again, for there also, even BW or it may be S4 HANA, even those systems also they have the development system, quality system, production system. Okay, so majorly we are working on either either it may be ECC system or it may be S4 HANA system. Okay,
yeah.
okay, so we are working on ECC
That's for
or it
fun.
may be S4 HANA system. Okay, so this is
Yeah,
the from our point of view, point of view. Okay,
yeah,
okay. Okay, now how to log in the system? So as you know already, we can click on the create button if you have the option, or if you selected yesterday adding the variable that you can do it that. Okay. So generally we
yeah,
have the new button. So just click on this button, then the system will ask that okay, add properties like okay, so what is the application server and instance number, system ID, okay, and
yeah,
sometimes we have the router string also. Okay, so
yeah,
this router string will be avoided to connectivity when you are connecting from the out of network. That means sometime what will be happen, you must be connecting the client network. If you are connecting from the outside of the client network, might be they need to control your system through router string. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
so if you are working in a work from home, sometime what will happen? So the user they might be can use the VPN. Okay, there will be a VPN. Okay, so what is the
yeah.
meaning of the VPN? Uh,
Virtual private network.
okay, virtual. Okay, so this network, how you will be connecting this network? Uh, Maybe you have the some logo like here, something like logo. You just connecting the VPN. Okay,
Yeah,
and this the VPN will be helpful to connect the remote machine to our client system. Okay, that
yeah,
means you are connecting to their system and working on that. Okay,
yeah.
sometimes if you don't have the VPN, let's say some clients, maybe in the local, some clients might be
Land.
they don't have the VPN. Okay, instead of that, they are using the
Yeah,
rotor string. Okay, so in that case, rotor string is useful. Okay, so
yeah,
that is the which is the functionality. Okay, so when you started working into the client, what you need to ask, the first thing what you need to ask, can you get the SAP server details? Okay,
yeah,
so this application server instance number, system ID number, and these details are will be different for the development system, quality system, production system. Okay,
yeah.
okay, it will be different for development system. It is different. Quality system it will be different. Production system will be different. Clear?
Oh, okay, yeah. I managed to log in. It worked. I changed my password as well.
Yeah. Okay. So if you see that, if you see here, if you can see
Yeah,
here, there is a different server details are there, different instance number are there. So
yeah,
assuming that one is development, one is quality, one is production, one is some BW system like. Okay. So assuming
yeah,
that. Okay. So the application server details and instance number will be different for each and every system. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
Clear? So
yeah.
when
Great.
you joining to the client, you must be asked that okay, what are the server details to
Yes.
adding into the my properties, adding into the my SAP login pad. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, and this is the version which is like SAP login 740. you might be have the 750, 730, 730 like also it is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that
Yeah.
was the difference here. Okay. Then now once I just log into the system, okay, I just click on the, if I'm just trying to log into the development system, just click on that. Okay. So the system will check that whether the network and the server details, everything, if it is correct, then it will be give, it will be connect. If it is not correct, then it will be give the error message. Okay.
Yeah.
So why it is not connecting? Let's try. Maybe the network which is not there, or it may be wrong.
Even my Zoom kept saying that. It
No,
said connecting to audio, and then it worked.
correct, correct. These are the different actually. Not
Yeah.
sure why it's not correct. Okay, so once you just click on that, you need to be enter the user ID and password, and which language you want to be open. Okay, might be there were some people which is working in the Germany. They have their own language. Okay, and some people they are logging from the Chinese. They have the different language, and some people they are
Yeah.
connecting from the India. They have the different languages. So
Yeah.
the logon language also will be supported. That language you can change. Okay, so that
Yeah.
language you can enter. If it is English, then it is a EN. If it is Germany, then it is a D. Okay, if it is something which is like maybe uh, Chinese, then it is Gen. So like there were some login codes are there that you need to be enter here. Then the system will be connected like this. Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
and okay. So now why it is not connecting this server? Sir, did you get the password? No, right? Still you didn't
Yeah.
get.
Yeah. I made he reset it, and then I typed
Okay,
it in. I made my password. I'm not gonna forget it this time, as long as my username is the same, and then
okay,
I'll
okay,
be able to log in.
okay, okay. Okay. See, after I just entered the login, like, okay, so you will get like this screen. Okay, you will get like this screen. Okay,
Yeah, I have that
so
screen.
okay, now you can change your personal settings also uh, by clicking under this window button. Okay, you just click. If you want to be changed, you can change that. Okay, if you can want to be changed here, you can just click on this options, and if you want to be change the color or something which you want to be change, you can change that. Okay,
Yeah.
from here it is a personal settings and all you can do here. Okay, whatever the language, whatever the sorry, whatever the visual design, something which is the colors in the blue, red, purple, green, gold, like that, which which are the it is there. So if I change this, then it will become like this language. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay, clear. Okay,
Yeah.
so you need to be log off and log in again. Okay, then only it will be applied. So now I just log in. I just change the color. Now I'm just to log off that. I'm just trying to connect again back.
Yeah.
Now the color batch changed. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Previously it is pink color. If it now it is the different color. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So like we can do now. Once you enter this one user ID password. Okay. Again, I will just show you that languages also. Okay,
Yeah.
how we can change the language and all. Okay, so you must be enter the client which is required, whatever the client they are using. You must be entered. And if it is in English, then you can use the EN. If you want to be change the language, then you can enter the what language you want to be changed. Okay, then enter. Then what will be happen? The system will come into the German language. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now everything will be populated in the language of Germany.
Yeah.
You can see that the language which is changed from English to the language, okay, German language. Okay,
Yeah.
clear. And
Yeah.
you can also be change the password and everything here. Okay, I'll just log off and I'll log into the English. So default it will come like English. Okay, depends on your configuration and all. Okay, it will default it will come.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can also add the favorites here. Okay, you can add the favorite by clicking on that left key and add the folders. Like you might be have the so many transactions. You might be have the so many process. Okay, so many
Yeah.
applications are there. So every time you need to be remembered all the transactions, everything. It is very difficult, right? What is the meaning of transaction? Okay, if you want to be create a purchase order. Okay,
No.
so
Yeah.
then there will be some transaction code. Okay, system SAP which is giving defaultly some standard transaction codes. These are the called transactions. To operate
Yeah.
the a special process that will be called like so like we have so many we have around 1 lakh transaction codes are there. Okay, more than 1 lakh we have. Okay, so might be everything which is remembered is very difficult, right? Might be you are working in the especially working in the MM area, then might be it will be like maybe 100, 200 transaction codes are there. So what exactly it is very important for me everyday transaction which I am doing that you can add as a favorite here. Okay, you can click
Yeah.
on insert, and if you want to be add folder like okay I'm just creating my own folder which is like mm related. Okay, then I will be adding that
Yeah.
mm folder. Okay, in this mm folder what I'm doing I'm just adding that okay whatever the transaction which is required, then I'll just do adding that. Okay, insert the transaction. So what transaction can I can add? Okay, my transaction code I just want to add the me21 in purchase order, creation purchase order. Then it will come automatically in that. Okay. So if I
Yeah.
just log, okay, so I can use. So next time when I'm logging to that, instead of I'm searching for the transaction, I can just click on this one. Okay. So next I want to create a purchase requisition. Then I will be creating MF1 end. Okay. Then next
Yeah.
time I can go to goods receipt. I want to do the goods receipt. Then I will go to MAGO. Okay. Or if I want to create some material master record, product master record or something which I need to create, then I'll just add this transaction cost. So what will be happen next time when I'm logging, it is very easy. I can go directly and I can click on that. The system will automatically open that application.
Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the one favorites you can add here. Okay, or you can directly add here also. Okay, if you want to be add here directly in the transaction instead of the folder, if you want to be add directly here, you can add it. Okay, there is no
Yeah.
clear.
Yeah.
Okay, now coming to this is the log off button. Just click on this one, then it will be a log off. It will become okay. If you are there on the one screen. Okay, now I am in the single screen. If I need to open one more screen, okay, I just click on this one, then it will be
Three.
open the one more transaction, one more screen it will be open. Okay, so then I can see that there is a two screens which is open.
Yeah.
Okay, one screen I can do PO creation, one screen I can do purchase requisition creation. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, now
Yeah.
if I want to go back, then I can close this one, or one I can close. Okay, then the last we can log off. Okay, the next
Yeah.
one. The next one is, in case if you don't know what button you want to be pressed, then you can just slash O. Okay.
Yeah.
So the transaction you need to be enter here. Okay. Whenever you want to be use some transaction, you need to be enter here the transaction
The
code.
search for it.
Yeah, to switch to the transaction. Okay.
Okay.
So slash O. If it is, I'm just clicking, I'm entering slash O. Then what will be happen? The system will be generating new section. Okay. It will be asked that okay, you want to be generate new. Yes, create. Okay, then what will be happen? It will be open news section. How it will be open now? Uh, by clicking on that, I can see that one and two. Okay,
Oh,
okay. If I just
yeah.
I want to be close this one. I don't want this section. I have already one open, so I don't want to be this section is open. So then I can enter that slash n. Okay, if I enter
Yeah.
slash n, then it will be closed existing. So I can see now only one. Sorry, this is come back outcome, right? Okay. So it will be come out from the section. Okay, that means it is a, if I am there in the ME21N, let's say ME21N, I'm there in the ME21N. Okay, now
Yeah.
I want to open the purchase requisition screen. Okay, I want to open the purchase requisition. I'm in the pivot screen. Now I'm in the pivot screen, but now I want to do what I want to do. I just want to open the purchase requisition screen. Okay, so there is a two cases. One, I want to close this screen or not. You want to close the screen or not? If you want to close the screen, then you need to be enter /n ME51N. Okay.
It'll close just this screen.
Okay. If you want to be
Yeah.
close the screen and open the ME51N, then you need to be enter the /n ME51N. Okay. Suppose.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to be close this one. Okay, I want to open one more section with the my transaction. Then I will go /o ME51N.
Yeah.
Okay. So what
Yeah.
is the difference here? If I enter the
This one.
/o ME51N, what will be happen? Okay, I will go
Yeah.
first.
Then
I will go first.
duplicate.
I will go /n first. Okay. /n means the current screen will be closed and the new screen will be open. ME51N. Okay, I'm just going that. So then what
Yeah.
will be happen? The create purchase order is closed and the create purchase requisition is open. So I can see
Yeah.
only one it is open now. Only create purchase requisition is open.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll go /o. I want to open my purchase order. Okay. So I don't want to be close this purchase requisition, but I want to open the one more section with purchase order creation. Okay. So in
Yeah.
that case, I'll enter /o ME21N. Okay.
It'll open
So
the
what
new
will
screen.
be happen? Thus, it won't be closed currently, and it will be open new one. Okay. So
Yeah.
if you can see here, there is purchase requisition screen. It is already open, and purchase order screen also it is open.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got right /n /o. What is the functionality?
Yeah.
/n and /o. Okay. So /n is close current
Close
screen,
current
current
screen.
section, and
And open new session.
open which transaction code you are entered. Oh, open
MEN 51.
you can close this one. Then maybe if you entered any transaction, then it will be opened a new transaction. Okay.
Yeah.
And the second one is /o is
Open new
don't close the current section
and
and
open.
open new section. Okay. So
Yeah.
you can say like it is coming back from existing screen. Okay. /n means coming back from existing screen. Okay, if I'm
Yeah.
open the any screen that I just click on /n, it will be come back again. So if I tried here, suppose I am in here. Okay, now I don't want to be open anything. Let's say assume that I have currently I'm in the purchase order. Okay, I'm create purchase order. Now I don't want to be open any other screen. I just come out from the this screen. Then I just simply enter the /n. It will come back from that screen. Okay,
Yeah.
clear? If I enter
Yeah.
/4, then it will be open new section. Okay. So
Yeah.
that's why I just written that. Okay, coming back from the existing screen to home screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the what? Okay. This is the basic thing. Okay. Then the next one is this is the finding. Okay. In the screen, if you want to be find anything, okay, you can select to click on here, find. Okay. If I'm suppose I'm just going to any one of the report. I'm just going to open report. I'm just going to some other report. Okay. So what I can do if I want to find anything, okay, you can find from the you just click on here button. Okay, just click on here and what you want to be find here. Okay, suppose I just want to be find something AM access. Okay, then it will be show you that what are the AM access are there. It will show you all the list. Okay,
Oh. Yeah.
This is the find button. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And if there is a multiple pages are there, suppose let's say if I have the multiple pages, okay, instead of one screen, I have 90 pages, 20 pages or screen are there. Then I can just click on the arrow both down, arrow up, that previous pages we can find. And this plus also next finding that. Okay. So when I just finding that, okay, the system will finding that what is the next. First, it is started with AMWX. Then I just click on second. Then the next. It will be finding that where it is there. Then okay, you
Yeah.
can see it is finding that the next AMWX. Okay, which I'm the last whatever we are searching. And this is for the print. Okay, if you system is connected to output devices and printers, you can give the printer device and you can give the printout. Okay,
Yes.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the button which is like save button. Okay, if you
Thank
need
you.
to be save, if you need to be save anything in the screen. Okay, if I'm creating purchase order, so I want to save the pivot, I want to create a pivot, then the system have the option like to save the button here, that you can just save that. But before saving that, the system will check that whether you entered all the information correctly or not, that it will be validated. And if it is everything good, looks good, then it will be accepted.
And then you
Yeah.
can save. Yeah.
Okay, clear? Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the basics thing. Okay, and you can see here SAP menu. Okay, this is the SAP menu for the end users. Okay, so the end users, they can go to here. If I'm suppose, let's say, instead of I don't know what is the transaction code to create a purchase order. Okay, but I want to do this transaction code. I want to go create purchase order. Okay, what I can do? I can go to my area. Okay, so there are so many areas: human resource, accounting, utilities, and patients accounting, information systems, all these things. My area is logistics because I'm handling the material management, the stock related, all it will come under the logistics. Okay,
Yeah.
then I'm just click on the logistics. Again, in the logistics, you can see that different areas are there: sales, logistic execution, production, plant maintenance, project systems, everything. My area is material management. I will go to material management. Then again, what activities we want to do: purchasing, inventory, logistic invoice verification, physical inventory evaluation, material requirement planning, or what you want to do, that you can go there. Okay. And if I want to go with a purchasing, suppose I just want to create a purchase order, so I'm going to purchasing. Then I will get the what are the purchasing documents are there: purchase order, purchase requisition, outline agreements, RFQs, master data and all. Again, I will be
Yeah.
go to purchase order. Okay. Then I want to create a purchase order. So this is what we discussed, right? ME21 and need to create purchase order.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can go this part as well. Okay. If you don't know transaction, you can go and find it from the this part. Okay. It will be
Yeah.
open this screen. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So
How do you get all this? Was this already
sorry.
on you already have all these files on your account, right?
No, it will be there. For everyone, it will be there. It is the standard.
Okay.
This is the for SAP menu and all, it is the standard. Only favorites we will create our own style.
I see. I
Okay,
see.
this will be it will be there for every system. There will be there SAP menu. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So this is the only for the these are the all users, end users, and core team members. They will perform. Right. So
Yeah.
yesterday we discussed, right, functional consultant, technical consultant, and end users, core team members, right?
Yeah.
So the end users, core team members, what they will do, they will performing that on daily activities like daily business sales, daily business purchase, pivots, daily production orders. They will do, right?
Yeah.
So day-to-day activities they will perform. So they can operate this one. They can operate this SAP menu. But as a SAP functional consultant, what we need to do? We need to do the customization and configuration. Correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So
Front
for
end.
the so I need to go inside the uh, backend for these screens. Whatever it is there inside the backend screen, I want to go. So in that case, what I need to do? I need to go SPRO. Okay. So this is the SPRO is the transaction code which is for the configuration and customization related transactions will be there. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just entering the SPRO so that I can enter into inside the programs, inside into the transactions. Okay. So this is the IMG activity. So if you looks like this is the transactions. These are the uh, steps which we are performing when we are doing in the development system and when we are doing in the golden client the configuration and all we will do here. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this axis, okay, will be have only to the functional consultant and technical consultant, but for end users and core team member they don't have this axis.
Yeah.
Clear? Because
Yeah.
we are performing. So what is the difference here? I just want to understand that what is the difference here, what you understand here. So functional consultant.
They work.
Okay. Functional consultant, what they will do, they will design that. They will design what exactly the client is looking into that. Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose let's say my client is requested that my client requested that. Okay. So I'm starting new DC. Okay. In California.
Yeah.
Okay. In California, I'm just started the new DC. Okay. Now I need to set up this California DC into my SAP system. Okay. So what they will do, they will give to the functional consultant, please create one DC. Okay. And California and update the address details and what it is required, what process we are following. Please set up all this configuration.
Yeah.
Okay. So the functional consultant, what they will do, they will create DC. Okay. And set up set up for the all the required functionalities.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe they want to be create a purchase order, so I'm allowing this person. Okay, in this DC they want to be allowed a purchase order creation, so I will be allowing to them. Okay, you can create a purchase orders now because I already whatever it is required the setup I did in background. Okay, that
Yeah.
setup will done by functional consultant.
Yeah.
Okay, so we mostly looking into this screen majorly. Okay, but by looking into this screen, you also aware about that what actually we have in the screen in the SAP
Yeah.
menu. Because if you don't know whether they have the purchase order, they have the production order, they have the process order, they have the sales order, then you cannot do in the configuration level what you need to be set up that. Okay,
Yeah.
so you must be know about that what process they have the client. Okay, you must be know about that. Then only you can start the configuration and set up that. Okay, I'm allowing you to create the purchase order. So I'm just in the background. I'm setting up that. Okay, you can create these purchase orders from this DC. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm giving that allowance. Okay, so that
Yeah.
where we will do that configuration we will do in the SPRO. Go to SPRO and click on the reference IMG, and here we will be doing. So here all the areas will be there. Production planning, people related, it is there. Material management related, it is there, and production and plant maintenance, process systems, human resource, everyone have that. So my role is like I will be go to material management here. So this is the material management. Here we are
Yeah.
setting up that what material management is required in the front end. That setup we will do the in the back end.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
clear? So now
Yeah.
you understand, right? What is the difference between IMG screen and what is the difference between the SAP menu screen?
Yeah.
Okay. SAP menu screen will be presented by who will be presenting SAP menu screen? End users.
Functionality.
No, end users. End users will perform this. The function that
And
daily activities they will perform here.
yeah.
Okay.
And
So
then yeah. Then the functionality
yeah, correct.
consultant will
Yeah. So SAP
display.
menu. Okay, SAP menu performed by end users for our core team members. Okay, are users, business users. Okay, so
Yeah.
they will perform daily activity. Like
Yeah.
like what? Like it is sales orders, customer orders, deliveries, okay, and billing, document billing, okay, invoices, POs, GR, production orders, okay,
Yeah.
all regular transactions will perform. Okay, so
Yeah.
and in IMG settings, IMG activity, what is IMG activity? How you
But
can go IMG activity? If you click on,
but
if you enter the
SPR.
SPRO, then I can go to IMG activity, right?
Yeah.
So if when I'm going to SPRO, what I can do to allow this all allow this all the process for the these end users, core team member, business user to allow this transaction, whatever setup, whatever the setup which is required,
Will be
settings,
done in it.
okay, settings are set up which is required, okay, to
Yeah.
do the above
Task.
daily activities, daily
Yeah.
process. Okay, clear? Now you understand, right? So this
Yeah.
is the configuration. SPRY is the configuration related.
Yeah.
Okay, this will be performed by who will be performing this one? Functional consultant.
Functionality.
Functional consultant will be perform this one.
Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Yeah. Good.
Okay. So now you are the functional consultant or user?
I'm the end user.
You are not end user. You are the functional consultant. You are the
Uh,
functional consultant. You are the functional consultant. Once you completed this course, you are the part of the functional consultant.
well, I thought we were both. Like we
Yeah,
use both.
I will tell you. No, not both,
Okay.
but yeah, I'll tell you. Okay. As a functional consultant, okay, if you want to be set up what client is looking into that, you must be aware about that, what process they're following.
Yeah.
Okay. That means the functional consultant is not only setting up or set up the requirements, he also know about that, what process, how the process is running. He must be know about that. Then only he
Yeah.
can advise to the end users.
End user. So he has to know what the end user is doing.
Yeah, so what end
Yeah.
users and the business users they are performing, that everything you should aware about that. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
then only you can perform that. Because if I'm using the iPhone, okay, I'm requesting that some mic which is not working, okay, mic which is not working, I just given to technician. The technician is just started to working on that, but he don't know what is the problem exactly. I should just say that okay mic, but mic is like is it working when you are just wear the some headphones, or is something which you are using some Bluetooth, or is something which is like it is when you connecting to speaker, or if you connected with iPad, or if you connected to Mac, so he don't know. So
Yeah.
you must be know about that. Okay, okay, this device can be able to connect with it. These are the different ways,
Yeah.
right? I can connect this mobile can be connected to Bluetooth. This mobile can be connected to wireless wire wire earphones, and this can be connected to iPad. This can be connected to Mac, and this can be connected to AirPods. This can be connected to this iPads. Okay, so
Yeah.
like maybe there are so many feasibilities are there. So first you need to be understand where exactly it is getting problem, and you must be aware about how the functionality will be work.
Yeah.
Right, right, clear.
Yeah. Yeah. Clear. Yeah.
So
You have to
that
know more.
yeah, so that's what the functional consultant must be aware about the this process also and this process also.
Yeah.
Clear. So that
Clear.
is
Yeah.
what we are doing. Okay, we are planning to learn in the future. Uh, in the both side. We will be learning this also and we'll be learning this also.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, so okay. So you can go to the transaction code ME21 and for the creation of purchase order. Okay. You must be remember this transaction code at least 10 to 15. are standard transaction codes are there that you need to be remember from MM point of view. Okay. So one is ME51N. Okay. This is the create purchase requisition.
And it's the same for all of us, right?
Sorry.
No, sorry. It's the same. Yeah,
Okay.
I just said yeah.
Okay. So this is the create purchase requisition. Okay. Okay, I created some PR number. What is the meaning of purchase requisition?
Purchase order screen, purchase requisition screen.
Yeah. So purchase requisition. What is the meaning of the purchase requisition? What is the purpose of the purchase requisition? Okay.
Like
To
yeah,
gather
yeah,
the what required. Okay. That means
yeah,
I need to today these products are required. Okay. Maybe I need pencil. I need pen. I need bicycle. I need scooty. I need some car or something like. These are the my requirement. Okay. So
yeah,
the purchase requisition is nothing but like identifying that what I need, what is the requirement, that requirement you are entering into the purchase request. Okay.
yeah,
If suppose I created, then suddenly I just missing that, I just want to add some new products, or maybe I just want to remove a new some products which I need to do some modification, amendments I want to do. So in that case, I can go to ME52N and change the purchase request number. Okay. So when how the system knows that which purchase request number should be changed, there is the identification number. There is a one number will be generated, unique number for all purchase requests will be generated. Unique numbers will be generated for each PO. Sorry, each PR.
yeah,
Okay. So like suppose like system that 5 plus something which is like started with all series 5 some 10 digits number will be created.
yeah,
Okay. That 10 digit number is the reference for the for by changing the purchase requisition or display the purchase requisition. Okay. So
yeah,
okay. So this is the transaction code for the purchase requisition. Okay. If I go to purchase order, ME21N, create purchase order.
purchase. Yeah,
Okay. So again the same format, unique number for each PO, and it will be start like 4 series, 3 series, 2 series. Again, this is the customization. Okay. If
yeah,
the client is asking 2 series, then I can give it 2 series. If the client is asking 1 series, I can give it that. Okay. So it's
yeah,
again client requirement. Okay. Again the same thing which is like 10 digits number which will be started, and each PO have the unique number. Okay.
yeah,
So if you want to be do modification in the pivot, then you can go to ME22N and change the purchase order.
yeah,
Okay, you can say pivot. Okay,
yeah,
then ME23N is for display.
yeah. Display purchase.
Okay, so like again we have the contract. Like suppose ME31K is for the contract.
Yeah, the contract. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, long-term agreements and all. Okay.
yeah,
Again, the same unique number for each contract, and again 10 digits number. Okay. And again the ME22K is a change contract. Okay. And
yeah,
ME33K is a display contract.
contract. And the system will give us a unique 10-digit number, right, for the
Correct.
client. Yeah,
Exactly. So it will be the common here everywhere. Okay. So the system will give that unique each contract number.
yeah,
Okay. It may be starts with 4 or 3 or something, whatever it may be. It depends
yeah,
the number series, 10 digits number. Okay.
yeah,
It's not,
yeah.
I'm just giving the example 5 series, but it's like anything. Okay.
Mhm.
So again, if I just want to create some scheduling agreement, okay, long-term agreement. So it is one kind of the contract, but it is different than the contract. Okay. So this is scheduling agreement. I will tell you later what is the use of that, but I'll just give you the transaction code, how it will be like. I made 32, 31L, it is like one creation of schedule agreement, change of the schedule agreement, and I made 33L is the display of the scheduling agreement. Okay.
Yeah,
So again, same, which is like unique number of the same. It will be like here also will be like scheduling agreement also have the different unique number. Okay. So what you understand here, there are so many numbers will be generated. For each number will be identified with respect to um, document documents. Okay. So it may
Yeah.
be purchasing requisition document, PO document, contract document, and schedule agreement document like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So you must be remember this when you keep on working and practicing on that. You okay? You will be getting these when you are starting
Memory.
practicing on that. You can
Yeah.
remember that. Okay? You can
Yeah.
remember.
Slowly I'll be able to memorize the purchase
Memory.
codes.
Correct, correct. So there are so many things which is there. You need to be remember that all.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then anything else? Anything questions here today for basic? These are all basic level. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So you understand that how to log into that
Yeah,
system
yeah.
and
I'm able
how to enter the transaction code here, right?
yeah,
You understand? If you want to be
yeah.
log off, you just click on the log off here and click on the log off, okay? Or
Yeah.
okay, and if suppose I want to log off from here, transaction code slash and ex, okay, slash and ex. That means exist.
Oh, okay.
If I just enter slash and ex, it will be gone.
Oh,
All the
okay.
screens will be okay. Clear?
Yeah. I'll find one more. Uh,
Slash and
oh, never mind. Never mind. I got it.
slash
Okay.
and
Yeah, I got
ex
it.
slash and ex
I was. Yeah.
just exit from the screens.
Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay then.
Clear.
Yeah. So
I got
we'll
it.
yeah we'll do tomorrow some more basic things and all. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay
Yeah.
then. Can we stop
This
then
was
today?
yeah. This was good. I with these new
Yeah.
numbers, I'll acquaint myself with the system more. I'm still slow at using it, but I'm like
I
the
know
basics. The
initially you have to
basics.
buy heard. Initially you have to buy heard, but you keep on you practicing, then you can remember all these things.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? Okay. Okay, then I think I will start tomorrow with the process steps. Okay,
Okay.
we'll do P2P cycle tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah.
Procurement to pay. Okay,
Procurement.
we'll do the procurement to pay cycle. Okay,
Okay.
okay then. Thank you
Yeah.
then.
Okay.